Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of resistance and support easier to see. I did this analysis a few days ago, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming into play. They both still definitely pertain to the chart, but I am going to do a little house cleaning here, get rid of that green line there. Yes, it still pertains, not totally relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So I want to try to keep this as clean and easy to follow as possible. The first update, though, that needs to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, and that states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them then act as support. So for those of you that perhaps watched the last video I did, hopefully you remember me talking about right around the 1070 mark, give or take a couple pennies as resistance. The price got above there today, and like I said, then you would want to see it act as support. And if you look close, you can see right here after the break, the bears did try to press down below there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a good job of holding strong. This is what I would consider the ideal area of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold up above 1070, that would certainly make the chart look very powerful. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's totally ruined right now or anything. But yeah, if the price can stay above there, that would be a great situation. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, and really kind of just simplifying everything is in regards and using this purple line there, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line's just going to move its way upwards like that. And if you want to say, oh, that looks like a trend line, yeah, that's a very logical way to approach it. And that's why I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people, because it is going to be a trend line that draws itself for you, and not to insult your intelligence, but this is why I love charts. As long as the price is above an uptrending trend line, well, that implies that the price is also uptrending, and that by definition is a bullish move, right? So that's, like I said, that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they basically insult your intelligence. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upward move is going to continue, where are some of these next battlegrounds at? Next key one to level to keep an eye on, right up there at that point, which sits at, oh, that makes it easy, the $11 mark. And $11 is coming from back here. It was an area of support. And again, going back to those foundational rules, when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. But at the end of the day, from the big picture of things, it's all about this right here. If the price can just start building higher bases like this as time unfolds, then the long-term chart will take care of itself. So nice day today for AMD. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this move or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.